Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to remove users from your Slack workspace. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to remove someone from your Slack workspace, you just simply have to open this Slack application at first, and after that just simply find your workspace and tap this drop down menu beside your workspace name. Now, after tapping into there, you will get to see this tools and settings option. Just simply tap into that option and go to manage members option into this administration setting. Just simply tap into that and then it will lead you to your browser. Now, after coming into this page, you can see all of your members into your workspace, all the details about those members. You just simply have to tap into these three dots beside their name in order to remove them from your workspace. So simply tap into that button and then click into this deactivate or remove option that will appear into this button's place. By following this very easy step, you can easily revoke or remove some member from your workspace. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.